From the list view of your account, select the Empty or Filling Tanks category, then open the tank you wish to fill. The tank view opens, and the user is asked to add an intake. A window opens, inviting the user to select the type of input: grape, must, or wine. The input must then be detailed. First, its origin. Depending on the previous choice and the type of intake, the following fields are automatically contextualized. For example, for an internal grape input, the user must enter the name of the plot of origin, whereas for an external input, the user must enter the name of the grape variety and the geographical identification. For an internal must or wine input, the name of the tank of origin must be entered. Depending on the type of intake, the user must also enter the quantity or volume. Each time, the user can change the unit, according to his preferences. For grapes, you must also enter the juice yield you wish to apply, so that KYP can automatically calculate the theoretical volume of this input, and update the tank filling level. When all mandatory fields have been completed, the user can validate and continue filling with another input. At any time, you can close this window to view the tank contents, then add a new input. It is also possible to correct or delete an input. If a grape addition goes through a pressing stage before being added to the tank, it is possible to select the Volume Units option to directly enter the volume of must added. To finalize filling, the user must enter information about the batch to be created. This includes name, color, and volume. For grape-type batches, the volume indicated by default is that calculated by KYP, but the user can modify it if it does not correspond to reality. If the input type is grape or must, the user must also indicate whether he wishes to carry out pre-fermentation operations, or to launch alcoholic fermentation directly, then validate tank closure. In both cases, the specific view of the tank will be displayed, and a window will appear, inviting the operator to enter the main characteristics of the must and the alcoholic fermentation protocol. This is the mandatory information KYP needs to run its algorithms. We'll explain how they work in another tutorial.